In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a device using the admin console. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on each screen, and a few tips to keep everything secure and smooth. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Tailscale admin console. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has the right permissions, such as owner, admin, or IT admin. If you're not sure about your access level, check with your organization's administrator before continuing. It's a good idea to keep this tab open throughout the process so you can approve the device if needed. Once you're in, navigate to the Machines section. Depending on your view, it might be labeled Devices. This page lists everything currently connected to your Tailnet, so it's a great place to confirm what's already online. Look for the Add Device button on this page. That's your starting point for bringing a new machine onto your network. Click Add Device, and you'll be prompted to pick the operating system for the new device: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or another supported platform. Choose the OS that matches the device you're setting up. After that, select Download Tailscale to grab the installer for that operating system. Save the installer, then move to the new device and run it. Using the correct installer for the device's OS and architecture helps avoid setup issues, so double-check you've picked the right one. If your organization has device approval turned on, the new device will appear in the Machines list with a Needs Approval badge after it first attempts to connect. To approve it, find the device, click the Options menu, the three dots, and choose Approve. Approval confirms that this device is allowed to join your Tailnet and enables it to fully connect. If you don't see the option, you may need someone with the appropriate role to approve it for you. There's also an optional way to add the device using a QR code. In the Add Device workflow in the admin console, choose to generate a QR code instead of using a login link. On the new device, make sure Tailscale is installed, then scan the QR code. It will open the Tailscale login and guide you through authentication. Complete the login, and the device will join your Tailnet. If scanning doesn't work right away, adjust the screen brightness, allow camera access, and hold the device steady. After approval or QR sign-in, return to the Machines page to confirm the device is listed and connected. That's it. You've added a device using the admin console.